Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up higher yesterday with soybeans leading the way to the upside, all currently lower to start the day so far this morning. News remains all about the weather. The weather forecast is still cool and wet here in the Midwest, but moving on to this weekend and into next week, we're actually expected to get some warmth and sunshine, and it's expected to continue through most of next week throughout the Midwest. So should get some positive planting progress done next week. We'll have to see how that plays out today, if the market's going to trade what we're currently experiencing versus the forecast. We are currently lower so far this morning, so we'll see if that pressure continues. But again, right now we're cool and wet, but the forecast is actually looking pretty good all the way through next week for most of the Midwest. So we'll have to see if we get some solid planting progress done during next week, and it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts to that. As far as the wheat market goes, we got the hard red winter wheat tour going on right now. We got the first yield estimate updates from day one yesterday. Came in at 34.7 bushels per acre, and that's well below what we saw last year and in 2012. The drought as well as some winter kill definitely affecting those crops. They went through central to, I believe, north central Kansas yesterday, going into the southwest and southern Kansas today, and even some northern counties in Oklahoma. Some of those areas are expected to be worse than what we saw yesterday. So yield outlook for the hard red winter wheat area, especially in Kansas and those areas, is not very good. The crop's still around 6 to 8 weeks from harvest, but as of right now, it doesn't look good, and we'll definitely keep you updated with what that tour says moving forward. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.